Hello co-visualizers, how's our rendering going? It's Lumion time once again. For this tutorial, I will be teaching you how to swing, close, and open the door or gate using advanced move effect in Lumion. Let's start. In my scene, I will save separately the gate and be ready to import it into Lumion. I'm doing this so that we can have a control of the pivot of the gate. Open your gate file that you saved. Make sure that your pivot of the gate is in the zero axis in 3D Max. Then save your gate file again. Open your Lumion and import the gate file. Copy the gate on the other side. Hold the Alt key and drag the gate going to the right. Now go to create a movie. On the effects, under animation, add the advanced move. Click edit on advanced move. Click rotate and swing the first gate. And swing also the second gate. Your gate is set to swing already based on the timing of the car to move. Set keyframe at least at 1 second. And based on the car's timing that is on the road, which is a good timing to close the gate, that is to be set to 3.55 seconds. You can modify the timing on time offset. For tutorial on how to move a car, check on the link of my tutorial on top right of your screen. Thanks for watching guys. Please don't forget to click the subscribe button and hit also the notification bell to be updated always on my latest uploads. Keep safe guys. Okidok.